Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to make a rounded rectangle on your document in Adobe InDesign. So now the first thing that I want you to do is to open your Adobe InDesign document and follow these simple steps. So first I'm going to add a shape or a rectangle. To do so we need to use the rectangle tool. So basically I'm going to add our rectangle here now, and as you can see, let's just give it a fill color. So let's make it, for example, yellow. Now we have these sharp edges here and we want to make them round. So basically we want to edit our corner. Either you are going to use here, to go here and search for the strokes how you want it to be. So for example, like that, the width of your strokes and their forms, and then you can change the corners, and the corners are the key for our rounded rectangle. So let's just leave it solid, and now we want to have a rounded corners. So as you can see, now I have these rounded corner of my rectangle. Also you can choose or edit uh, the the distance of our corners, as you can see, and you can just edit them until you have the desired result. Also you can have others corner like this one. I have it for, let's just give it 12 for example. You can have these types of corner, you can have these fancy corners for example like that, and you can have as many corners as you can choose from here. So as we said at the beginning, we want the rounded rectangle. So you add your rectangle tool, you give it a fill if you want, and then you choose from your strokes. You can just have zero stroke like that, and just change the corner settings. So basically this is how you get a rounded rectangle in Adobe InDesign. Thank you for watching and see you next time.